Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are doing something absolutely unreal. What you are looking at right now is not a movie prop, it is not a sci-fi concept from some Hollywood studio. This is the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, and I promise you, nothing on 4 wheels or in this case, 10 wheels has ever looked or felt like this before. So sit back, because we are going deep on every single detail of this machine: exterior, interior, performance, and yes, the price that will make your jaw drop straight to the floor. Let's start from the outside, because honestly, you cannot look away from this thing. Bugatti has taken everything they know about aerodynamic sculpting from their hypercars and stretched it across a 3-level motorhome body that stretches somewhere in the region of 60 feet bumper to bumper. The bodywork is finished in a stunning pearl silver and gloss white two-tone wrap with carbon fiber inlays running along the lower sills and around every wheel arch. What makes this design so jaw-dropping is how organic it feels. There are no sharp edges here. Every surface flows into the next one, like a wave frozen in motion. The roofline curves up and back with the grace of a superyacht, and that comparison to a yacht is completely intentional. Bugatti's design team openly drew inspiration from luxury sea vessels when drafting this concept into reality. The front fascia carries the iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille, now reimagined at a massive scale, flanked by ultra-thin LED matrix headlights that sweep back dramatically across the nose. Running the full length of the coach on both sides are continuous amber LED accent strips that give the motorhome this glowing halo effect at night that is genuinely breathtaking. Around the lower body, you have a full LED underglow system in configurable colors, and it sits on 10 massive wheels, yes, 10 wrapped in custom low-profile tires and fitted with polished gold multi-spoke alloy rims that are exclusive to this model. The rear is just as impressive with a full-width panoramic glass wall that gives you a live window into the interior from outside, framed by sculpted tail fins and a Bugatti signature emblem dead center. Now step inside, and this is where things get genuinely emotional. The moment those power-operated coach doors swing open and the steps extend, you are entering what can only be described as a floating 5-star penthouse. The entry-level features a full chef's kitchen with polished Korean countertops, a concealed induction cooktop, a built-in wine refrigerator, brushed titanium fixtures, and handleless matte carbon cabinetry. Every material has been selected with obsessive care. Move through to the main salon and you are greeted by a curved cream leather sectional sofa that wraps around a low-profile smoked glass coffee table. The panoramic windows on both sides flood this space with natural light, and when the motorized privacy shades drop, the integrated ambient lighting system takes over with warm cove LEDs recessed into the ceiling, creating an atmosphere that feels closer to a private jet cabin than anything you have seen on a road vehicle. The upper level is where the master suite lives, and Bugatti has gone all in. A king-size bed sits centered in the room, dressed in hand-stitched leather and premium linen, with the Bugatti monogram embossed into the headboard. Above the bed, there is a panoramic skylight window so you can literally fall asleep looking at the stars. The ensuite bathroom features backlit onyx marble panels, a brushed gold vessel sink, a frameless glass rain shower, and smart mirror technology with an integrated LED frame. Every tap, every fitting, every surface has been finished to a standard that most luxury hotels would envy. The cockpit at the front is equally impressive with a full aviation-inspired dashboard, twin curved OLED display screens, an Alcantara and carbon fiber instrument panel, and a Bugatti embossed steering wheel that would look at home in one of their million-dollar hypercars. Now let us talk about what sits underneath all of this beauty, because performance on a motorhome of this scale is genuinely a technical achievement. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a twin-turbocharged W16 hybrid powertrain. Yes, the same engineering DNA that powers the Chiron, adapted and tuned for coach application. This system produces a combined output estimated at around 1,500 horsepower, driving through an all-wheel drive system with individual torque vectoring on each axle group. The suspension is a fully active air suspension system with real-time road scanning that keeps the coach level and comfortable regardless of road surface. Estimated top speed for this coach sits at a genuinely shocking 100 miles per hour, with a 0 to 60 time that Bugatti engineers have quoted at under 7 seconds for a vehicle of this size and weight, which is honestly mind-bending when you think about what you are looking at. And the price? Well, this is Bugatti, so you already know it is not going to be gentle. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome carries a starting price of approximately $8 million for the base specification. Full custom builds with bespoke materials, extended entertainment configurations, and performance upgrades can push that figure well past $12 million. Production will be strictly limited, with only a handful of units allocated globally per year, making this not just the most expensive motorhome ever built, but one of the rarest rolling residences on Earth. That is your full review of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome here on MH Car Review. If this video gave you that feeling, you know the one, smash that like button, drop a comment below telling me what surprised you most, and subscribe because we are just getting started. See you in the next one.